guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to cube these sweet potatoes. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share lots of how-to videos like this one, as well as my family's favorite recipes. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can do this together a couple times a week. Here I have some sweet potatoes that I just peeled, and I have another video on my channel to show you the easiest method to peeling sweet potatoes. Now, all I have to do is cube them. First things first, I'm going to find the flat side of my sweet potato and place it on my board, and that makes the job of slicing it in half vertically really easy. And now you're gonna place that flat side on your board. You're going to cut it into sweet potato slices. Now you might be tempted to just take this sweet potato half and go straight ahead and cube it. The problem is that not all sweet potatoes are the same size. You'll end up with big pieces and small pieces just like this, and they're not gonna cook evenly. So no matter how you're cooking them, the larger pieces will be still hard while these will be soft and chewy. To avoid that, what I like to do is take that half and slice it vertically. And now I'm gonna slice it into strips. One quick tip is to make sure that those vertical slices are about the same thickness. This will help you achieve square cubes. By the way, if you find tips like this one helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them on my channel for you. And now all I have to do is take these strips and cube it into even sized pieces. And as you can see, when I do it with this method, more or less, they're all gonna be about the same size. Sure, you'll have some end pieces, but it'll be a lot less and a lot more even than if you did it the other way. Now, check out this stack compared to this stack over here, where this one I just free-for-alled, and this one is where I cut them into strips first. And that, friends, is how I cube sweet potatoes evenly. Make sure to check the links below this video for other recipe and how-to ideas. See you next time.